Hello everyone, welcome to a video of multiple regression analysis. Here you will see how to see the relatedness between the independent variables and the dependent variable through multiple regression analysis through SPSS software. Now this is the SPSS software and you can see there is a data set. This is the variable view and this is the data view. You can see there are some independent variables and there are dependent variables. For the analysis of multiple regression, then you have to go to the analyze, then regression and linear regression. Here we can see there are some boxes: dependent variable box, independent variable box. You have to put all of the independent variables into the independent variable box. Now I'm putting all of the independent variables into the independent variable box and the dependent variable and the dependent variable box. Now you have to make sure that all of the values of those independent and dependent variables must be in the standardized values, because no non-normal data can be used for multiple regression analysis. So let's get to the method. Now in the method option, the enter mode must be selected. Next you have to make sure in the statistics section there are estimates, the confidence intervals, model fit, descriptives, part and partial correlations and collinearity diagnostics must be ticked. In the residual option, tick the case-wise diagnostics and outliers outside 3 standard deviations. Press the continue button. In the options button, in the missing values, the exclude cases pairwise must be ticked. In the plot section, the ZRESID should be in the Y box and ZPRED in the X box. In the standardized residual plots, you have to put the normal probability plot. Press the continue button. Now all are set to do the multiple regression analysis. Press OK and you will have the results. Now you can see there is a model summary, ANOVA, the coefficients, collinearity diagnostics, all of the results are there. Now we have to see what results means what. Yes, we are going to interpret those results. In the model summary section, there are some results. We have to see what the R-square value means. Here the R-square value is 0.761. That means 76.10% of the dependent variable can be explained by the model or the dependent variable. In the ANOVA box, you can see the significance level is 0.000. So you can tell that the model we have used is statistically significant. Now there is a table called coefficients. This will tell us which independent variables are contributing how much to the model. Now in the standardized coefficient box, there is a column beta. The more the beta value is, the more significant contribution the independent variable is contributing. Here the highest beta is for this variable, this variable, and is 0.461. And you have to see another thing that is called significant. Now if the significance level is 0.05 or less than 0.05, then it's contributing uniquely to the model. Here we can see there is no variable which is contributing uniquely to the model, significantly unique to the model. Here the last variable which has the highest beta coefficient, but it's not less than the 0.05 significance level, so it's not contributing uniquely significant to the model, but it's quite significant to the model. That's how you have to analyze and interpret the multiple regression analysis. Thanks for watching this video. I am Shubhro from Tutorial. So if you have any queries related with that SPSS tutorial or the multiple regression analysis about the relatedness between the dependent variable and independent variable, please do write in the comment section and I will get back to you soon. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please press the bell icon to subscribe the channel of Tutorial. Thank you.